Hello, dear students. I hope you all are enjoying your summer holidays. And trust me, I'm not here to spoil them by giving extra homework. In fact, I just thought, why not use these holidays in a smarter and more fun way? So, let me ask you something. Have you ever understood everything in English class? But the moment it is your turn to read or speak in English, suddenly your brain says, sorry, this service is temporarily unavailable? Well, you are definitely not alone. Many students face this problem. But the good news is, improving English proficiency does not mean sitting with giant grammar books all day. It can actually be simple, practical, and even fun. So let's talk about some easy ways to improve our English proficiency while still enjoying our holiday.
Have you ever noticed something strange? Many students study English for years. They complete grammar exercises, they learn tenses, they even score good marks in exams. But when someone says, speak in English or read in English, suddenly the mind becomes blank. Why? Because English is not a subject you only study. It is a skill you train, just like cricket, dancing, or singing. Fluency comes from practice. And today, improving English has become easier than ever before. Today, whenever we hear the term English proficiency, most people think it simply means speaking fluent English. But actually, proficiency means much more than that. It means being confident in all four skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And the interesting part is, improving these skills does not need pressure, it just needs the right habits. Let's start with listening. Think about how we learned our mother tongue as children. Nobody gave us grammar worksheets when we were 2 years old. We learned by listening first. The same thing works for English. The more English you hear, the more naturally your brain understands pronunciation, expressions, and sentence patterns. That's why watching cartoons, interviews, podcasts, and short English videos really help. Even English songs improve pronunciation and vocabulary. And yes, subtitles are not cheating, they are actually helping our brain connect with pronunciation. The second important habit is reading. Now, many students think improving English means reading very difficult novels with words nobody can pronounce. But honestly, the best reading material is the one you actually enjoy. Books like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Matilda, The Blue Umbrella improve vocabulary naturally without making learning feel boring. Comics, storybooks, sports articles, captions, everything helps. So start reading to which you can connect with. The third skill is writing. And I know the moment students hear the word writing, suddenly energy levels drop completely. But writing is actually one of the fastest ways to improve English. You can start very simple. Write your daily routine, a short diary entry, captions, or even your thoughts in English. Slowly, sentence formation becomes easier and grammar improves naturally with practice. And finally, speaking. This is the part where most students become nervous. Not because they don't know English, but because they fear making mistakes. But mistakes are normal. Nobody becomes fluent on the first day. In fact, fluency grows when we stop overthinking every sentence. Start speaking small sentences in daily life. Where is my notebook? I'm getting late. This food is amazing. Simple practice builds confidence. And honestly, we are lucky because today we have so many tools that make English easier. Apps like Duolingo, Cake, Hello English, and BBC Learning English make learning interactive and fun. And then there are English learning Instagram pages, which parents can definitely follow for educational purposes because I know students are obviously very sincere and never create accounts before 18. So, if you really want to improve your English proficiency, Remember this. Listen regularly, read interesting things, write a little daily, and speak without fear. Because proficiency is not about speaking perfect English, it is about using English confidently and comfortably every day. Thank you and enjoy your holidays.